Have you ever wondered how long things actually take in this workshop? Well, today marks the start of a new challenge for us. 3 weeks of daily content. This is the DailyME, episode 1. Now, we recognise this may not have been the summer you asked for. You've rinsed Netflix, you're tired of entertaining the kids 24/7, and you know, the trips to the beaches and pubs just aren't as relaxing and enjoyable as they used to be. But you're in luck, because for the next 3 weeks, we're going to be pumping out daily content for your entertainment. And in addition to this, we want to help rebuild that social life we've all been lacking recently and get you guys more involved as a community this month, but we'll be talking about that later in the video. Now, the question is, can we actually achieve this? I don't know personally, Rob.
No fucking chance.
Like, it's going to be a ton of physical work, not to mention putting up with each other. Oh! Yeah, that. And so the aim of this month is to sort the workshop out. Primarily finish projects like this, and this, and this, and this. In fact, actually, I'll do that now. And this, and every other thing that's been left in this workshop unfinished. But most importantly, our biggest aim this month is to make a massive batch of these marking knives. And hopefully, if all goes to plan, we will have a video format that we can use in the future. If it doesn't go to plan, however, the next few months are going to be utter chaos. And so the first order of operations today is to simply get this place tidy. The picnic bench project that we've been working on is outside, it's out the way, and at the end of each project, I like to do a deep clean of the workshop, and we're at that stage now. Okay, so you might be wondering why I'm giving you the pleasure of watching me tidy my workshop. And this is going to be a focus over the rest of this episode and also tomorrow, when I'm going to be showing you how I clean all my machines down of rust and also protect them against rust and dust in the future. So make sure to stick around for that one tomorrow. But the reason I'm showing you this now is because in my mailing list, I sent out everyone a question asking them what they struggle with. And I guarantee you the number one response I get is, I don't get enough time in the workshop, or my time in the workshop is wasted because I'm too distracted or I don't really know what to do. And I have one answer to you for that. Clean your workshop. At the end of every single day when I'm in here, 15 minutes, 20 minutes is dedicated to tidying. Everything goes back where it needs to be. Surfaces are scrubbed down. Everything is tidy. And like, I recognize I'm a messy worker. I'm not going to try and fix that. It's an absolute lost cause. But one thing I can control is how much time I spend at the end of the day cleaning it. And then when I come in the next day, it's all guns blazing. I know where things are and I can hit things at full pace. This is something that I guess I unintentionally learned quite early on when I was training at Wood. I used to have a teacher there who we only had once or twice a week, and he was quite regimented with the way he taught, very disciplined, and to be honest, it wasn't really my cup of tea. But looking back on it now, the lessons he taught us in terms of cleaning up at the end of the day, keeping your workspace tidy, and just having a general sense of pride of the space you're working in, that's the sort of lesson that he didn't teach us directly, but it is something that has definitely stuck with me and is something that I really, really recommend you do. It is a great habit to get yourself in. And so then I take that lesson just a little step further, and then between every major project is when I do a deep clean and a deep organize of the workshop and reminisce over those pinch points that I found throughout projects where things just annoyed me and I want to sort it out afterwards. And so one of those things that I discovered was I've got a bunch of coach screws and things that I never use, but it's pretty much an entire box, and I just want to make sure it is there. I know that I have it, but it's not in the way. And so I'm going to install a little shelf up here above my existing screws so that I've got a constant reminder that I do have them and I can use them, but I don't go out and buy another pack because I can't find them. Right, and this is another thing that annoys me, and it's these screwdrivers. I had these mounted on the wall, but ever since we built the mezzanine floor and we took them down to take down the backdrop and everything, I never put them back up, and they've literally lived like this on top of that tool chest. Why haven't I put it on the wall yet? Yes! I need your help. Yes! I need you to take my camera. 3, 2, 1. Cheers, mate. Now, I mentioned earlier in this video, we want to get you guys more involved as a community and have some sort of reward system for you as well. And so I've mentioned this in monthly updates and live streams previously, but I want to reiterate it here again. Rob has been placing faces of my face in the past few videos, and he's going to continue doing that throughout the month while he's sat here editing these videos as we go. But if you spot all 3 faces in each video and you're the first person to do it, we're going to be rewarding you with a certain unnamed token that we haven't quite worked out a name for yet, but that token can be used to redeem certain things from my website or just from me in general. And we plan on building an entire bank kind of thing here, bunch of shelves, bunch of jars with all of your names on, and so you can start collecting those tokens and start redeeming things from us. And so that is going to be another project we're going to be tackling over the next few weeks, and you'll start seeing your currency appear on this wall. And so if you want to know what sort of prizes those points can be redeemed for, I've done a blog post, there's a link to it in the description, and you can go there and start working out what you want to save for. Remember, watch out for those faces. So we're going to end this episode there. Don't forget that tomorrow I'm going to be showing you how I de-rust and maintain my machines, because it's a question that a lot of you guys have been asking. It's going to be a really good one, so make sure you stick around for that. And as always, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do not forget to press the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you tomorrow for the next daily update.